Turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over.
Okay, we're still southbound. Here.
Pasadena'da sıradan bir trafik kontrolünde askıya alınmış ehliyet ve sigorta olmaması gibi durumlardan dolayı kaçmayı çözüm bulan Ricardo, birazdan şehrin en tehlikeli kovalamacasına neden olacak.
Where you from?
San Fernando.
Okay. Do you have any ID? Are you visiting someone?
Huh?
Are you visiting someone?
No. I'm just right now trying to get some gas money.
Okay.
Hey, I don't have my ID on me. Do you have it right there?
284 on 925A. That's in north of Del Mar.
Yeah.
Hudson.
Okay. You good?
No, I need to see some ID.
I don't have none.
Do you have a picture of like an old one or anything?
Hey, can you send me a picture? On my ID?
Or do you know your driver's license number?
I know. By heart.
Okay.
Let me see.
What's your name, bro?
Ricardo.
And what's your last name, Ricardo?
Andrade.
And what's your birthday?
June 15, 1987.
What brings you out here?
Huh?
What brings you out here?
I came to see a friend.
Oh, okay. Your friend lives here?
No, not right here. I was already driving and trying to, but I parked and I swear I didn't even see the one way.
Oh, okay. Did you come out of there?
No, I
284?
came this way. I came this way, but I just reversed it and I seen that car. I was like, why is it parked like that? It was the whole time it was me.
All right. You're not on probation or parole or anything?
No.
Okay, perfect.
We good?
284 to
Like that
specialty?
way?
No, not yet. It happens. Sometimes it's an honest mistake. Sometimes we get drunk drivers that end up the wrong way. I'm not saying you obviously haven't been drinking, but it happens. That's why we're checking to make sure everything's all
Yeah,
good.
but
Well, I mean, it's dangerous. You're
know,
the wrong
man.
way. Because especially when you leave, like if you pull out that way because you think you're going the right way and you're going into oncoming traffic, or you turn to make a U-turn and cars are coming.
yeah.
Are you staying in your car right now?
Yeah.
How long have you been staying in your car?
For about 7 months.
Good. Okay.
No, we're supposed to go into the tiny homes, homeless family. We got approved, but they like was it a month ago? They said we could go to the little spot, and then right when we were gonna go move, they told us that there was happening.
Tipper. Oh, okay. And the tiny homes, the ones over in by downtown?
No, San Fernando.
Oh, San Fernando. Oh, okay. I'm just trying to open those up here. You're just watching for a second.
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
running them.
What's up, boss?
I guess I was facing the wrong way on the one with you.
Yeah, that you are. Yeah.
284 20th 29s.
The whole time I thought this guy was parked.
Ricardo'nun yüz ifadelerine dikkatlice bakarsanız oldukça gergin görünüyor ve birazdan kendini aksiyon filmlerini aratmayan bir olayın içinde bulacak.
Huh? Yeah.
Tipper. You said nothing illegal in the car?
No.
Is it okay we check just make sure?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Huh?
Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Hold on. No. Turn off the car, dude. Stop.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over. Hey, you're gonna get fucking shot, dude. You're gonna get fucking shot. Stop the fucking car. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. Turn off the car. Turn off the car. Go.
Kendini zeki zanneden Ricardo, daha az cezayla kurtulma şansı varken polisten kaçarak ölüm tehlikesi yaşamayı ve belki de bu olayın sonunda ölmeyi göze alıyor.
You said nothing illegal in the car?
No.
Is it okay we check just make sure?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and step out of the car for me.
Huh?
Go ahead and step out of the car for me. Go on. No. Turn off the car, dude. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Oh, you're gonna get fucking shot. You're gonna get fucking shot. 35, hold the air. Got one at gunpoint. He's trying to run me over. Hey, you're gonna get fucking shot, dude. You're gonna get fucking shot. Stop the fuck car. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot you. I swear to God, I'll fucking shoot
Code 3
you.
back.
Turn off the car.
Try to run over to officer.
Turn off the car.
Okay, we're gonna be in pursuit. Stand by. Okay, pursuit southbound Hudson, wrong way towards California. He tried to run over a police officer. Okay, he's through the red, southbound California. I'm losing eyesight on him. Let me see if we can get inertia. Okay, we're still southbound Hudson.
Burada hızını alamayıp başka bir arabaya çarpan Ricardo, hızlıca eşyalarını alıp kaçmaya başlıyor. Ama bu kaçışın nereye kadar süreceğini birazdan göreceğiz.
Okay, he TC'd into residence. Here. Driving. Hey, police K9, stop here to get bit. Stop here to get bit. Right here. Touch. Hey, he's into it.
Şimdi ise hem K9 köpeği hem de polis helikopterinin termal kamerası yardımıyla Ricardo'nun olduğu alanı geniş kapsamlı taratıyorlar. Ricardo ise sanki GTA oyunundaymış gibi davranıyor.
Here, Lyman. Hey, he's moving too fast.
I don't know. I don't know. I'll get turned around, baby.
I think this is just on the other.
All right.
Let's get him before he breaks somebody else's house.
Hold on, let him clear the front. Here! At the backyard, got a dog deployed, no bite. He's in the backyard, start setting up a containment. Get somebody to lake. Hey, go to lake.
Yeah, go to lake.
36, emergent traffic, come to... Okay, come here. Now, get in the car, Celine. Where? Where? What?
Long gun up.
Okay. I got it.
Get that dog up here. Hold on, hey, slow down. Hold down. I got it. Get the dog up here. Get the car.
Dog's coming. No, I have no eyes. He didn't come out at all. Only they ran out.
All right, come on. Slowly. Slow. Okay, hold on, slow down. Suspect, get on the ground. Let me see your hand.
Police department, get on the ground.
Fast. Stop.
Hold on, slow
Hey,
down.
put your hands to your side.
All right, let me get a contact team. Arrest him.
Walk towards me.
Hold on.
Walk towards me. Bring my dog to me.
Bring my dog to me!
Hold on, behind lethal, let me get
Stand
another
up.
team. 2 people with
I
hoods.
need to see your hands!
Hands up.
I need to see your hands! Put your hands up now! Put your hands up now!
Hey, someone break down the dispenser here for me.
All right, cover me, I got it. Move up just a little bit, I'm
Hold
gonna
on,
break down
hold
the fence.
on.
Suspect, stand up now!
Move your arm, Louis. Move your arm, Johnny.
Yep, take it out. Take it. Yep, I need a hook team.
Suspect, move towards me! Let me see your right hand! Let me see your right hand! Let me see your right hand now! I do not know if you have a gun or a weapon on you! Let me see that hand! Put your arms up!
All right, you're lead. Stand by here.
Hey, gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop it! Watch my dog, dude. Watch my dog. Stop! Drop the gun! Drop it right now! Drop it!
Drop the gun, I will shoot you in the head. You're gonna die right now.
Drop it! Put
I
it
will shoot
down.
you.
Put it down! Watch my dog, guys! Watch my dog! Flat! Flat!
Kısa süren kovalamaca, Ricardo'nun elindeki silahı bırakmayı reddetmesiyle trajik bir şekilde sona erdi. Polis ateş açtı ve Ricardo olayın ardından hastanede hayatını kaybetti. Hiçbir polis memuru yaralanmadı.